Hello 3D printer community. It's just me, Chris, again. Now, this video is going to be a quick one, and it involves the customer service quality at GeeeTech, which for me, as a Canadian, I guess is excellent, even through this coronavirus issue that we're currently having. God forbid. Yeah, I guess what I would like to say is they're great. I have not had any problems talking with any of them or getting any questions answered or anything. They're always fast to answer. When I did have an issue which involves this, which is supposed to be a hot end, so that looks like quite a bit bigger than a hot end, so we'll have to see. The hot end replacement had to do with some issues I found or maybe possibly caused during a cleaning in a bad clog due to the construction that this hot end has, and it containing those tiny discs with the really microscopic holes. It makes it really hard to clean this hot end, but I found a way which I will show in another video. But let's get to opening this package. Alright, I already cut it open for ease. Alright, nothing else in there. Alright, well, we'll go after this first, because I know what this is. I'm almost pretty sure this is the hot end. Well, look at that, boys and girls. We got one in black. Ooh, pretty black. And again, I apologize for my crap lighting that's coming from the side and not from above, which I gotta work on. Yeah, I like the construction. The only thing I don't like, well, I guess I can't really complain, but those discs. When they get clogged up and everything is full of plastic in here, man, is it ever a pain to clean compared to the standard style like that comes on the Ender and many other printers like my Tronxy or Tron XY P802MA or my Ender or my brother's King Rune KP3 that he just bought and is playing with and working over there. That's Ryan, by the way, hence the CNR printing farm. Yeah, eventually he'll be making his own videos too, but let's dig in to see what this is all about. Maybe it was some free gifts because I'm a nice guy and are extremely nice when I interact with customer service, because you're not going to get anybody's help or parts sent to you for replacements if you're an ignorant arsehole. If you start saying stuff like, oh, well, you know, this printer sucks, it blows, it can't print this, it can't do that, and you start saying the company sucks and this, why would they want to help you? Because if I was a 3D printer company, I would ignore you too. You kind of have to sweet talk them, maybe, you know, kiss their arse a little bit, and then, you know, you might get somewhere. Well, look. Lucky ducky. That would probably mean there's two of them here. Two pieces. Come on, camera, can you see that? Yeah, okay, you can see that. Alright. Sweet. You know where these are going to go? Over on my desk where all the spares go, because I actually don't even use these. On mine, if you see, it's a mirror that I prepare with sandpaper and then use glue stick as my adhesive, which works wicked. But, you know, I'll explain all that in another video too. But by the way, GeeeTech, I love your customer service. I love the company. So far, you guys are doing great. I don't know how long you guys have been around, but I know you guys are a newer company, but keep it up. Only way to get successful is to keep doing what you're doing. Because so far, I don't see any problems with your machines. Not yet, anyways. But hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.